This is a shir on Tefila. We finished by Ya'avor. We are by the David. The David Elech Hashem, Nafshi Esa. The David to David, to you Hashem, Nafshi Esa. My soul, I lift up. I lift up my soul for you. You are ready to do that. To understand that, you have to understand a very good question. This Tefila is very powerful Tefila. And you see the Gemara says that somebody was upset at somebody else. His wife didn't let him say this Tefila because he knew that if he davens this Tefila, that would work. And the other guy, something would happen to him. One day the wife didn't hold up the husband and he said this Tefila, and imagine what happened. Tragedy happened to that person. This Tefila is very powerful. That's why Sephardim, we don't bow down, we don't put our head down because we are afraid of doing this Tefila Kitikuno. That's why Ben Ish Chai says we don't do that. But it's a very powerful Tefila. We have to be mechaber in the words. And we are saying, Nafshi Esa, I will lift up my soul to you, Hashem. See, it's a very interesting question that we say, we do it. Confession to Hashem and Vayavu after Shemon Esrei. After that, we daven to HaKadosh Baruch Hu and said Shemon Esrei. Now, Rambam says, if a Rasha doesn't do Teshuvah and he davens and prays to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem throws his davening to him. He says, Rasha, what is it? What are you saying? Person has to do Teshuvah to get back to Hashem and then daven. If that's the case, it would have been much better, more suitable to say, we do it first, and then say, to accept the Malchut of Hashem, then say, Tefila Shemon Esrei, to beg HaKadosh Baruch Hu for the needs that we have. First, say Anna and do Teshuvah, become a better person. Once you become a better person, then you could accept the Malchut of Hashem better. Then you could ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu for your parnasa, for the food, for whatever that you need. And Hashem would listen much better. How come the takan of the Tefila is not like that? It's a famous question that Mefarshim deal with it. And Mefarshim said, unbelievable point to make us understand what is the organ of the Tefila about. In other words, they tell us, no. First we say Pesukei de Simra, we say praise to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Then we say Berachot Berat Shema, we praise Hashem with the luminaries that He created, then the Torah that gave us, and then we accept the Malchut of Hashem. Then we come to Olam of Atzilut, Olam of Tefila, we come very close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and we beg and daven to Him. What are we doing? All of this procedure, we are lifting up ourselves. We are getting close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We are paying attention to our relationship to Hashem. We see our intimate relationship with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Once we are in that level, when we say that we sinned, we understand what does sin mean. And we understand who did we do sin to. Person doesn't know his father, he doesn't know what the father is about, what the father did for him. Say, oh, my father, I'm sorry, I did something wrong to you. But the person understands that this father loves him, likes him, and he does everything for him. Whatever that he has is because of the father. When you ask apology from the father, you want to ask that father should forgive you, you're going to ask differently. You're going to feel differently. You're going to stand in front of him differently. Therefore, all of the Tefillah is preparation for us how to say Fitu, how to say Anna, how to ask apology from HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and how to say Vaya'avor. Once we say that, then we are ready for the David, such a powerful Tefillah. We're going to become clean because the Vidu that we say, we mean it, we understand it, to acceptance of Malchut of Hashem, and understand that Tefillah means you are our source of being. Whatever that we have is from you, our life, our parnasa, our refuah, everything is from you. Once we understand that, once we relate and penetrate that in our being, then when we say Ashamnu, Bagadnu, and we understand differently, we are embarrassed from HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and that gives us vitality, that empowers us. That gives us Nafshi Esa, I'm ready to be Moshe, to give over my nefesh to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. But if they're born right before everything, you say, oh no, we don't know who we're talking to, we don't understand the relationship, then it would not be that meaningful. Therefore, all of this chana is there to make us ready for such a powerful tefillah, the David Elecha Hashem Israel.